Hey folks, it's Trevor Lewis from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab, and this is a quick video that's going to show you how to extrude in SolidWorks and what extrude means. Extrude is the most basic way of making things three-dimensional. You're going to pick a sketch, and you're going to choose extrude, and it just takes that sketch and gives it a height. You can click and click to extend the height. You can change how you're extruding things, and you just hit the green check mark here or the green check mark up here, and either way, it's going to make your item into an extrusion. So I've got a couple different sketches. Let's just go through and extrude them real quick. The first time I selected one in advance. This time if I don't, when I hit extrude, it says, what do you want to extrude? And you have to choose the sketch. And that works. If you want to extrude something that's a little more complicated and you select the sketch, maybe you choose the sketch over here and you hit extrude. It doesn't necessarily always go because it doesn't know whether you want this part or that part. That's the selected contour. So once you select the contour, then it knows click to start and click to finish where you want the extrusion, and check mark to accept your work. So that's where we got so far. Here's one that I drew a spline on, so it's a little bit more of my own drawing, and you can see we're losing sketches here because they end up inside the extrusions. Let's go to sketch 4 and let's choose extrude. On this one, it guessed correctly that I wanted this extruded. I didn't even have to choose the selected contour. It's also remembering how far I extruded the last thing, so that can be helpful. I can also type in how much I want to extrude, and I can also switch directions pretty easily. Okay, and then let's do this last one. Grab the sketch, and I can even extrude text, although it's struggling a little bit. There it goes. So that's just how you use the extrude tool in SolidWorks. Go ahead and watch some other videos if you want to know how to revolve, sweep, or loft.